This bitch has several grenades there.
Alright, I'm running up with you.
God damn it!
I didn't realize she was right.
Oh no, we're losing.
The woman.
23, 22, 21, 20,
Yo, shut the
19,
fuck up, man. 18.
Jump scare. Don't get anxious. It's only an unrated game. Don't freak out.
Oh my god, bro.
Nice try. That was a good try. Behind by this big black cock. Here. Watch out, there's one in the corner, Brim. Yeah, if you plant that, it'll give you
Cool,
more
I am not
points
bronze like you.
on the scoreboard. This bronze player's gonna carry you so hard.
One enemy remaining.
Why did you pick it?
You should
Mr. Electric, send him to the penis explosion chamber.
Send him to the cock and ball torture room.
Someone clip that.
Fuck it. Oh my god!
Die! Die! Die!
spike down A.
How the fuck does she know where I'm at? They're planning.
Open up the sky!
30 seconds left. Spike planted.
Nice.
Remaining.
I'm just gonna defuse. Just watch.
Oh, Nick.
Enough from the.
What a story, Mark.
Yeah, you can say that again.
I'm so happy I have you as my best friend, and I love Lisa so much.